Good boy. What a good boy. There we go.
Got it. Got that one.
Okay.
Oh, I feel great.
Yeah. Going here. We're just gonna let it fall. Well, that was good. Oh, right. No, can't have your own migraines. You're too important to the world.
That was horrible.
Oh, you're turning into Jello now.
I feel like Jello.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. That was so good. Always, always.
Oh, I try to give you my best and hope that if we even get close to that, I'm happy. Well, I'm never happy unless it's the best.
My main complaints were my back, my knee, and my feet. My bunions, to be more specific.
Okay. And after, I think about 3 or 4 visits, we did some bunion protocol.
Yes.
We did some work on the knees. And then you were saying some of the differences you felt in the knees and feet. Can you tell us?
Yes, so when I used to work out, like running, any type of exercising, weight training, my knees would kill me. And now I have minimal hurting in my knees, which is awesome because I haven't had that. As well as lunges, like when I would teach my yoga classes, I had to completely take lunges out because I couldn't even bend my toe. And so now I can lunge, and I can even lunge with like weights. So I'm extremely happy about that. It hurt right after the protocols,
Yeah.
but like a week later, I was like, I'm really happy with, where we're at. So
Nice.
thank you so much.
Well, we appreciate you and thank you for the kind words.
Thank you.
There it is. Perfect. Aggravated, especially when you go into flexion, and even more when you pull the leg up, because it's tethering on the cord and the nerves, and it's possible it's getting caught on that piece of bone. When you feel it, just think of it. And here on the quadricep group, and then we'll get into the bunion protocol.
That was a good one.
Is that my ankle?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's a medial talus. There's a little bit. We go from medial to lateral, just like this. Okay. Left foot.